morning, guys. Today is the $5 Goodwill Challenge hosted by Hillary at Old World Home. And let's see what I'm going to do with my piece from Goodwill. This piece was $3 from Goodwill. And I hauled this a few months ago. So still has the tags on it. Maybe it wasn't a few months ago, but maybe a couple weeks ago, with a few other pieces, and you can still see the red tag on it. It's really heavy. It's gray with like a white wash on it, and I don't think I want to touch the paint color, but let's see what I can make out of this. So stick around, guys. Okay, so what I've done is, this styrofoam is from another floral arrangement that I haven't used in a while, so I'm going to use that. These were in my stash. I just cut them off. I think I got these from Big Lots a while ago, a couple of years ago. So I'll use those. I don't know if I need these stones, but this was in my stash. These were in my stash as well, and I guess I got them from Dollar Tree some time ago. So see if we'll need these. So, okay, let's see. So this is a little too high, so I'm going to cut this in half, or down as far as I need, and see if I need to work with that. I'll use this for cover if I need to, or this for cover. So let's get started. I'll never forget this. This is too funny. DIYs are so funny. I always say they are trial and error. I cut the styrofoam and started to cut the styrofoam and ran into cement. Apparently, the styrofoam has a cement piece right in the, not all the way down, but I guess like 3/4 of the way down. So I'm cutting and cutting, and I run into some cement. So, yeah, DIYs are really trial and error. I always say that, but you never know what you're gonna get. But anyway, I think I may still use this piece. I'm not sure. I'm going to try to go with some filler. One good thing about this top of the styrofoam is it's brown, so I've got some coverage there, but I'm going to try to provide some coverage for the sides of these dandelions. So let's see what I'm going to work with. These will work. I'm going to play with this a little bit, and I'll come back on with the final product. So this is the final product, and I'm pretty happy with it. I used the white stones to provide some cover, and which really came in handy. I tell you, that styrofoam was all over the place. I had to move my display. So here you have it. So this is my $5 display for the $5 Goodwill Challenge, hosted by Hillary at Old World Home. Please go in and check out the playlist of all the other creators who participated in this challenge. Thank you, Hillary, for doing this $5 Goodwill Challenge again for spring. I'm glad I was able to use what I already had. This is awesome. I like this.